I was into BPO sector. I was a customer executive then. Almost 1 year and 2 months I worked over there. And after that, I started joining the class in Webskitters Academy. I've done my graduation in journalism and mass communication from Calcutta University. I had an immense amount of interest about digital marketing. After the graduation, I started finding so many organizations and institutes. So one of my friends suggested me, you can see Webskitters Academy. The overall experience is very good. I had no idea that the faculty and the support that I'm gonna get from here is gonna be that much.
What was the AI into the digital marketing course which you have pursued over here?
AI is a big thing.
Yeah.
The next big thing we must say. My whole faculty helped me a lot in this. I got to learn about ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude. We got to learn about almost 5 to 6 tools about AI in this course, and those are very helpful.
Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new podcast from Webskitters Academy. আজকে আমরা আমাদের গেস্টের সাথে কথা বলবো যে আমাদের এখানে আপস্কিলিং করেছে অ্যান্ড ডিজিটাল মার্কেটিং ডোমেনে নিজের ক্যারিয়ার স্টার্ট করেছে, বাট দেয়ার ওয়াজ আ পিরিয়ড অফ টাইম যেখানে সে বিপিও সেক্টরে জব করেছে, বাট যখন রিয়েলাইজ করেছে যে ক্যারিয়ার গ্রোথ কোন ইন্ডাস্ট্রিতে কোন প্রফেশনে বেটার সেটা ডিসাইড করার পরে সে ওয়েবস্কিটার্স একাডেমির কাছে এসেছে অ্যান্ড আপস্কিলিং করেছে অ্যান্ড has landed a job in the digital marketing domain. Let's speak to Arnab Das, our guest for today. Hello Arnab.
Hi ma'am, how are you?
I'm good. How are you? And please tell us something about yourself, like where are you from and what were your qualifications before becoming the digital marketing expert you are today?
Hi everyone, my name is Arnab Das. I'm from Bornagar, Kolkata. I've done my graduation in journalism and mass communication from Calcutta University. I had an immense amount of interest about digital marketing. So from the very beginning of my college era or my college days, I got to know about digital marketing, and after that I really don't have any idea apart from MBA how can I learn about digital marketing and all. So one of my friends suggested me to you can see Webskitters Academy. So yeah, I after the graduation I started finding so many organizations and institutes. Then I got to know about Webskitters Academy. It was recommended by one of my friends, and I tried to understand that it is what it is. I need some money to save, so that's why I was into BPO sector. I was a customer executive then. I worked hard, and almost 1 year and 2 months I worked over there. And after that I started joining the class in Webskitters Academy, and right now I'm done with my course, and yeah, that is all.
Great. And it's very impressive যে তুমি নিজে you have borne the cost of this course and everything. So Arnab, it's really nice and impressive যে তুমি নিজের interest and নিজের career pursue করেছো even after like you have borne the cost as well, which is very good. So how was your experience? I want to know. মানে the moment you have come down to Webskitters Academy, did a counseling and taken admission. From there, how was the overall experience?
The overall experience is very good. I had no idea that the faculty and the support that I'm gonna get from here is gonna be that much. Yeah, from the very beginning I must say that everyone, my trainer, my colleagues or my batchmates, everyone was so helpful, and the system over here that we get that the other students are gonna get if they are included or if they are just get admitted into this in this organization, they are gonna get a very clean and very systematic overview. Okay, very systematic process they will get. Everything is very systematic, and there is no other option, and there is no sense of misunderstanding or something. Everything is very transparent over here, and that's all. And the training period was very nice. I had a lot of fun with my faculty, with my batchmates, and we had to do so many assignments together, and that was that was really a great time I had.
Okay, great. So you came down to the classes? For the classes you came down to the institute?
I prefer offline classes more, because in online classes we don't naturally get to see each other's face, and there's a bonding, I would recommend if people can come in Webskitters Academy in the institution, and they can get an offline class.
Right.
I prefer offline class rather than online classes.
Okay. And you believe the assessments which were given to you were very industry?
Very helpful. Oh my goodness, very helpful. I have been in 2 interviews till now. But the thing is, in the first interview I cracked, and the second interview I don't have any output of it.
Okay.
But in the first period I chose to be with them. Okay, so the thing is, those assignments helped me a lot, and the placement classes that we should have we used to have back then was very helpful. Those were very helpful for me as well, because people who are not from IT background are very inconfident about their spoken about their communication skills and all. Okay, so from my point of view, I think you should get a way, or you should train yourself in terms of technical background, and there is another thing, it's called communication skills. So Webskitters fulfills both of them, not only in technical fields, but you can get trained over here for the communication skills, whatever you are lacking or something.
And that, I think that helps immensely in the interview rounds.
Yeah, obviously, that's a very basic thing, but I have improved a lot in terms of communication skill, especially our the mentors and all. They also endorsed us in this kind of thing. It is all about cracking the interview first, and then you have got to experience all those journey.
Right.
Okay, so you need to break the ice first. That's all. Okay, जो दिखता है वही बिकता है. I'm sorry, but that is the main case.
So Arnab, as per your conversation and as per your experience, I can totally understand that Webskitters Academy did not only build your technical skills for digital marketing, but it has also given you the confidence to communicate and to basically reflect upon your knowledge and everything. That's great, of course, and that's what a student or a person who is pursuing a skill or a course actually looks for. One thing which is actually doing the rounds in the industry right now is artificial intelligence, AI, right? So what was Webskitters Academy's persuasion, or what was the AI into the digital marketing course which you have pursued over here?
Basically, the thing is, AI is a big thing.
Yeah.
The next big thing we must say. The thing is, in digital marketing, you can't learn things about AI in YouTube. That is a very on your face thing.
Yeah, it's
I
very
can
superficial.
Yeah, it's very superficial. My whole faculty helped me a lot in this. I got to learn about ChatGPT. I got to learn about prompt, which is very important.
Right.
Not only the tools you are using, those are not that very important, but the thing is the prompts you are using.
How you're using.
How you are using, and the importance of prompt is very critical, I must say. And Gemini, Claude, we got to learn about almost 5 to 6 tools about AI in this course, and those are very helpful. And from YouTube you can't learn those. According to me, I'm going to say that. Yeah.
Okay, that's great actually. So not only did you get industry level technological advancements, but you also get to know a lot about the tools in AI which we are using.
Not lots of, because there are some restrictions, or there are some foundations of AI, because paid AI outputs will be different, definitely.
Of course.
But from a beginner level, I must say that we know a lot a bit about AI right now.
Okay.
After completing the course, because we don't have any idea about AI. And that's all. And particularly how to use it. Okay, how efficiently people are using it, it matters the most.
Correct. So Arnab, how are you feeling? Finally, you are placed as a digital marketing executive, and this is just a start. So how are you feeling?
I'm gonna take a pause first of all because I really had no idea that I'm gonna crack it. But the thing is, right now I'm optimistic about my future, and I'm a bit nervous too because I don't know where this journey is gonna take me. And there's another thing. I mean, right now we all know the situation outside, right? From the experience I'm having from the others, from my seniors, so it's a bit nervous, but I'm enjoying it. I actually enjoying my ups and downs feelings. I know that it's just of my starting period. It's initially my starting period, and I'm really optimistic. And the other thing that I'm kind of a bit proud of me because in this market, this kind of market, I have achieved a thing. Yeah. So many faculty members also congratulated me for this.
So you want to recommend Webskitters Academy to someone who is, or people, or your friends or colleagues who is looking to upskill themselves in some domain or the other?
Definitely, I would like to recommend them. Definitely, that's a big thing. Recommendation wise, plus point. I mean, there is no going back, or there is no other option. I mean, yeah, there is other options, but according to me, because I have
this is the best one which you can think.
Yeah, I can say this as per me because I haven't been in other institutions, but for the first time I have been here, and I liked it so much. It suited me very well. So yeah, I would highly recommend this for the others whoever wants to join in this particular field. Or there are so many courses,
Yes, there are many other courses.
Yeah, they can try.
Definitely, thank you so much. This is a small gift from our end.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
For your success ahead, and Webskitters Academy is always with you. Wish you a lot of success ahead. It's a long way to go. It's a start for your career. So all the best, Arnab.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.